Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn from Basic to Advanced English. I am Shama Rawat. In today's video, I'm going to give you phrases on birds. Okay, so let's begin. The first one is bird, cockney. Now, being a literature student, I try to give you words or literary terms, that are basic, like bird or cockney. It was used by Philip Larkins in one of his poems. And to whom he is calling bird, he is calling a woman or a girlfriend बर्ड. ठीक है, बर्ड का मतलब, कॉकनी का मतलब, फिलिप लार्किंस इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में है. उन्होंने अपनी एक कविता में वुमेन को या एक गर्लफ्रेंड को उन्होंने बर्ड बोला है. ठीक है, विच इज आई डू नॉट फाइंड एनी रॉन्ग इन इट. ठीक है, मुझे गलत नहीं लगा, इसलिए आई कैन एक्चुअली इंक्लूड इट ओवर हियर. then comes an old bird. You must have come across this phrase as she's an old bird. Yeah, he's an old bird. Now you will call a person an old bird when a person is about 60 or 70 who has gained a lot of experience. Of course, इतने साल का है तो उसको experience होगा through his learning, तो उसको आप बोलेंगे old bird. Someone who is too experienced and sure. You can't make a fool out of him. Okay? आपने sentence सुना, अगर मैं आपको sentence दूँ, please do not mess with that person because she is an old bird. ठीक है, उसने बहुत कुछ देख रखा है, बहुत कुछ सुन रखा है, बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है उनके पास. ठीक है, सो यू बेटर डू नॉट मेस विद हर. ठीक है, देन इज एन अर्ली बर्ड. वी यूज दिस फ्रेज फॉर पीपल who like to get up early in the morning, around 4 or 5 in the morning. You call them an early bird. Someone who wakes up early. ठीक है, जो सुबह जल्दी उठता है, around 5 or 6, 4, 5, 6, that person can be called, we can call, I have a friend who's an early bird. सुबह जल्दी उठने की आदत है. ठीक है, then an early bird that catches the worm. Now this phrase, you can say it is connected to this one. इसका मतलब है an early bird that catches the worm. अब इसका literal meaning तो ये निकल के आ रहा है, ऐसी चिड़िया जो सुबह उठती है और क्या करती है, worm खाती है, कीड़े खाती है. But the actual meaning of this phrase is, we use it for people when we say that if you want to be successful in your life, you have to get up early and you have to do hard work. See, I have written also, hard work and early action brings success. ठीक है, if I give you a statement, with this, how can you catch a worm if you are not an early bird? That means ये नहीं है कि तुम कीड़ा कैसे पकड़ोगे तो तुम सुबह नहीं उठोगे. This means अगर आप hard work नहीं करोगे, if you will not get up early in the morning, then you will not attain or achieve success. ठीक है, a little bird told me. A little bird told me. This means when the speaker does not want to reveal the identity of a person. मान लीजिए 4 या 5 फ्रेंड्स हैं, ना, उनका ग्रुप है, एंड आउट ऑफ विच दोज 4 or 5 फ्रेंड्स किसी ने कोई बात कही है ना, किसी के बारे में बात करी है और जिसके बारे में बात कही है वो उस तक पहुंच गई है. ऑफकोर्स उन्हीं फ्रेंड्स में से किसी ने बताई है, तो आप यू वांट टू आस्क फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन कि आपने मेरे बारे में ऐसी बात क्यों कही है. So and you also do not want to reveal the identity. आप नहीं बताना चाहते हैं कि आपको आपके XYZ फ्रेंड ने बताया है कि तुम्हारे बारे में बात हुई है. तो what will you say? You will say a little bird has told me. है ना, टीचर्स भी यूज करती हैं that a little bird has told me that most of my students have not completed their assignment. They are not studying during their holidays. छुट्टी के टाइम पर पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं. A little bird has told me. That means somebody has told X and Y Z thing, और वो आप आइडेंटिटी उसकी रिवील नहीं करना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, then a rare bird, you will use this phrase a rare bird in a positive way for a person who who excels or who aces in 1 or 2 things. है ना, he could also ace in 2 or more things. कुछ होते हैं ना लोग जो ये भी काम कर लेते हैं, वो भी काम कर लेते हैं, and they excel in everything that they do. ठीक है, I've written an extraordinary person who combines or aces in 2 or extraordinary fields. For example, if I give you Ramu is a rare bird because he is a chemist also and a poet also. वो chemist भी है, is into drugs also, देखता है chemist में medicines का भी काम करता है, along with it he is a poet also. ठीक है, कविताएं भी लिखता है. So that is, what is it? It is a rare combination, तो rare bird. Okay, to eat like a bird. I often use this phrase for my child because he hardly eats anything. So I often tell him, why you have a tummy of that of a bird, है ना, तुम्हारा पेट एक चिड़िया की तरह है, because you have less appetite. For people who eat less or who have almost no appetite, you can say that I'm worried for Soham, as he eats like a bird, like a sparrow. ठीक है, कम खाता है, चिड़िया की तरह दाना चुगता है, चिड़िया जैसे कि दाना खाती है वैसे. A bird of ill omen, you will use this phrase for when you're trying to say that so and so person, you know, brings bad luck. होता है ना, आप कहते हो कि ये जब भी आता है तो काम बिगड़ जाता है या काम खराब हो जाता है. So the person is like a bird of ill omen, and this phrase has been taken from, you know, not taken from, but you know, it is into reference with the birds like albatross and crow, you know, which signifies what do they signify? They signify bad luck, distress, crow and albatross. ठीक है? To be able to charm a bird off a tree, है ना, which means to be able to charm anyone. अगर charm का मतलब है मोहित करना, कुछ लोग होते हैं, they have such persona that people, you know, just by looking or by just glaring them, you know, you get, wow, what a person, you know, कितना सुंदर है, what a person he is. अगर मैं example दूँ कि Ramu, let's take example of Ramu. Ramu has such a personality that he can charm off a bird off a tree. Okay, that he can charm a bird off a tree. मतलब उसको इतना charm है, he is so handsome, he is so good looking that he can literally, you know, move the bird off a tree. ठीक है? A bird in the cage. This is the last phrase in today's video, which means imprisoned and trapped. जो जेल में है व्यक्ति, उनके लिए भी आप बोल सकते हैं bird in the cage. But yes, you can say. But the thing is, जब कभी आप ऐसा कुछ लाइफ में कर रहे हैं या ऐसी सिचुएशन या कंडीशन में है where you do not want to live or sustain, but you have no other choice, है ना? Like for girls, this is just an example that I am portraying over here. Like for girls, you know, who are earning, who are well educated, but after marriage they have to, you know, look after the kids, look after the family, and but still, you know, they are not doing it out of their duty, but उन्हें कहीं ना they feel कि अभी कहीं हम पीछे रह गए हैं, ध्यान उनका कहीं और होता है. So what are they? They are birds trapped in cages. जरूरी नहीं है काम छोड़ दिया जाए, घर पे है कोई उसी के लिए आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, people, you know, they like something else but they are into some other profession, तो उनका मन नहीं लगता है काम में, है ना, करना कुछ और चाहते थे लाइफ में, बट इंजीनियरिंग करी या कुछ और किया and they got into some other job. मन नहीं है but करना है. So we can call them that they are like birds in the cages. So I hope all the phrases that is connected to bird, the phrase bird is clear. If you have any doubts, please feel free and you can always ask it from the comment section. Thank you for watching and being with me.